Here, I'll show you how to enable Instagram story comments or story reply. Go to your Instagram and go to your profile. Tap on the settings. In settings, scroll down and come to how others can interact with you section. In here, tap on messages and story replies. Tap on story replies and who can reply to your stories. From here, you can adjust your story comment or reply settings. This allow replies from all followers. If you select this option, from your followers list, anyone will be able to submit a comment or a reply to your Instagram stories. Or you can select allow replies from followers you follow back. And if you want to turn off your Instagram stories comment or replies option, you can just select this option, don't allow story replies. So just go ahead and select any of these options according to your needs. Thanks for watching.